Having a dirty interior sucks. What sucks even more is having cracks and crevices where dust, debris, and crumbs get into. Luckily today, I'm here to introduce you guys to one of our newest products, which is Sticky Icky Car Clean Gel. This car clean gel is going to stick, roll, pick up, and go. Emily's actually in her Tesla right now. Emily, let us know what surfaces we can use Sticky Icky on.
Sticky Icky is a really great product to keep on hand in your car. You can use it to clean off your steering wheel, your navigation screen, cup holders, floor mats. It can pick up dust, dirt, pet hair, sand, any little sort of debris between deep cleans, just to pick up the day-to-day dust and debris that inevitably shows up.
So the Sticky Icky Car Clean Gel actually comes in a 4-pack, which is going to allow you to stick it, rub it, pick it up. All you need to do is just open up the jar, but before, it smells just like green apple. It smells fantastic, and it's super sticky. First things first, make sure your hands are clean. Take it out of its jar. You can put the jar off to the side. You could actually rip off a portion of it, but what I like to do, I like to use it all in full. So if you guys see this vent right here, I'll get my car clean gel, I'll stick it on it, and this gel is going to allow me to get into the nooks and crannies, because everybody knows there's always cracks and crevices where unfortunately a microfiber towel cannot get into. You could also use it like in these cracks, but in this occasion, you'll stretch out the gel, and the car clean gel is super safe on all type of interior surfaces. Simply stretch it, stick it, wipe it, and you're on your way to a fresh, clean detail. Emily, I know this question is gonna come up. What other surfaces can you use Sticky Icky on?
Well, Sticky Icky is really great for the car. It can also be used at home or in offices. You can use it on keyboards, on remote controls, really any crevice or surface that accumulates dust. It is a perfect product for.
And just like that, you became a pro at using the brand new Sticky Icky Car Clean Gel. Thank you so much, Emily, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And as always, if you guys would like to pick up the brand new Car Clean Gel, which is Sticky Icky, you can find it at chemicalguys.com or drive down to your local detail garage. As always, I have to finish up this interior, and we'll see you guys next time.